Hello class and welcome to CTC 101 at Post University. My name is Eric Lacharity and I have the honor and privilege of serving as your instructor this term. What an exciting time this is. Over these next 8 weeks you are going to go on a journey of exploration. You are going to experience topics that will really help you grow as a student, as a leader, and as a person. And it's really going to help your kind of academic path towards graduation and well beyond. Over these next 8 weeks, you're going to touch on subjects such as financial literacy, goal setting, study skills, reading skills, and so much more. So they're really those foundational skills that will help you grow and evolve as students. One thing I love about this course is the peer-to-peer interaction that happens. So you're going to have a lot of opportunities to grow together, to learn from each other. So you should really take advantage of those opportunities. One thing I do want to stress is that when I talk to students after the 8 weeks of the term, one of the things they always say is that they wish they really just invested themselves right from the beginning. So my recommendation to you is that right from the start, dive into the materials and give all the energy you have to this class because there is so much to gain and so much to learn. I am here as a resource for you, whether it be phone, text, email, dropping in on my office hours, dropping in on the general instructor office hours. There are so many different ways to get connected. There are so many resources available here at Post. So I'm just excited to see what comes from this term. So in conclusion, good luck to all of you. I'm so excited to work with you. I'm so excited to grow with you. And I can't wait to see how these next 8 weeks play out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on Blackboard.